Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today we're going to talk about Buscopan compositum, a medication I'm sure many of you are familiar with. Buscopan compositum is used to relieve stomach aches and cramps. Can you imagine those awful stomach pains that we get sometimes? Well, this medicine is perfect for those moments. It combines two ingredients, butylscopolamine and metamizole sodium. And how does it work? Butylscopolamine helps to relax the muscles in your stomach and intestines, while metamizole sodium is a strong pain reliever and reduces inflammation. Doctors often prescribe it for severe stomach aches, kidney stones, and cramps in the stomach and intestines. If you've ever experienced this, you know how important it is to have fast and effective relief. The usual dose is 1 tablet every 6 to 8 hours. But remember, always follow your doctor's instructions. Don't take more than the recommended dose. Like any medication, Buscopan compositum may have some side effects. The most common ones are dry mouth, dizziness, and nausea. In very rare cases, it can cause severe allergic reactions. If you notice any bad effects, talk to your doctor right away. It's important to know that you shouldn't take Buscopan compositum if you are allergic to any of its ingredients, if you have liver or kidney problems, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding without first talking to your doctor. In short, Buscopan compositum is a good option to relieve stomach aches and cramps. But as I always say, use it carefully and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. I hope this information has been helpful. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.